Welcome to Delf Stack, and this is how to get Messenger video call history. So, guys, if you ever wondered on where to see the video call history, as you can see when we open the application, sadly, there are no way in order for you to get a Messenger video call history in the Messenger application. Or what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to the message that you had with, and you should be able to see the history of the video call that you two have had together. Now, guys, another option is you could just simply go ahead and open up your phone on your device. So just simply select phone application, and from here you should be able to see the list of all of the people who have video call you or call you on the messenger, and you should be able to see all of the list over here, and you should be able to see the history, and you could just simply select the recent tab down below in order for you to see this tab. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.